Alright guys, they just made the announcement our room's ready. We kind of had to fight around and haul butt down here. We got on to 8, but we got on at the very last, down there at the Crown Lounge. So we had to come all the way that way, this way, this way, this way.
Oh, no, I'm going that way.
Well, I understand, that's what I was telling you, this way.
Okay.
So here we go, we're following the sexy Sheri. There it is, right there, the only one. Okay.
It's already opened.
Is it really?
Yeah, but I want to make sure that the car is in.
You gotta put it in. Well, maybe turn around, let's do it.
Yeah,
There.
it's got 2 barcodes.
There it is, yeah, it's green. Go ahead.
All right.
Here we go. Oh, look at here. Oh, I like this. I like the way this is set up. Okay, turn the lights on. Okay.
Oh, and
They got the door locked.
That's why.
Yeah. Okay, look at this. Man, look at this. Would you look at this? They got one chair in here too. We didn't have a chair in that. I don't know part of it. There's me in the mirror. Hi.
Be able to.
Okay. They only got 2 chairs. They got a chair right there and a chair right there.
Sweet.
And look, full length mirror, and you see how it goes. Getting fat. That's the shower.
Adjustable.
Looks like they just finished washing it, or is that the design? Oh, okay, that's
Body
the
wash. We got salt,
Alright.
grease.
No, it's not a suite or anything, but hey,
Very nice.
very, very nice.
A little storage.
Oh, wow. I like that.
Oh yeah.
That is cool.
A lot of room. There's
A lot of room.
Oh, that's just
There's no safe in there?
right here.
Oh, I thought there was a safe in that one.
Right here.
It would have been better off in that one.
Let's go on.
All right, so we got, oh, it's for the speaker that's down here, look. There's a speaker right there. And it plays the music on the ship.
Do we have plugs by the bed? We don't know.
On the earth, we all care about how things are and how they're going to change. This collaboration
Okay. Well, I don't know.
to help us figure out.
Look, right here. Whoop.
Oh.
It's on the bottom. There's a switch.
Okay, so we have.
1, 2. 2 plugs. That's all we need.
That's all we need. Here's your room, so we can.
We're already on it.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So that's our room tour. Now I'm gonna have to take a few minutes to get ready to go outside and
Yes.
enjoy the day.
Okay.
See y'all later.